So a few years ago, I had my sewer line replaced, and what the original one was, well, I'll show it here too. It was this monstrosity that was attached to the side of the house, and there's the cap up there. What I did, because they went to a larger pipe, and that one will sit all the way down and actually clog anything going through there. Here's my sewer pipe now. I did 3D print a cap before, and it lasted maybe 2.5 years out of PET G until a branch fell on it and destroyed it pretty much. So I'll show you what's left. So here's my pipe. This is green PET G, and it was loose. It's set just fine, but that's no longer needed. 5 inches, and the inside diameter is 4.5. So what I did is I went into Tinkercad and designed me a new cap. This time it doesn't have a cover over the roof of it, which is fine. I just put a bunch of holes in it. So here's what I got. Sort of looks like a large salt shaker. Yeah, there's lines and everything, but Tinkercad does that because you have to take the time to actually mess with this. You could do this in other CAD programs, but I decided to do it real fast, simple. It took about 7 hours to print. So, and it's pretty solid. We'll see how long this one lasts. It should fit right in though. Perfect. Sits up a little bit, but alright. So I went from this model, which had a lid on it. I'll show you a screenshot of what it used to look like, to that model. If you'd like the file, I can share it. I'll put a link down in the description. But if you want me to make you one, just let me know. I can resize it. I just need to know the inside diameter. I'll show you what I used to do the conversion from inches to millimeters to actually figure out the sizes I needed. This is my Bamboo X1C. Of course, everything's in millimeters, so I convert. And there's an online converter that's free to do this. I'll also put that down in the description. Yeah, so let me know your take on it, and if you make one, just shoot me a picture or let me know. If you want me to make you one, they're not going to be free, sorry, but I can make one for you. I'm not 100% guaranteeing that it'll be correct. The measurement has to be right. I should have measured this particular one down the pipe to know exactly where it would sit. I kind of guessed on the length, and I was actually pretty close. So because that pipe actually bevels in, so it sets a little higher. But yeah, just let me know if you want me to make you one. I'll shoot you a price. You can find my make on Makerworld, and you can find it on Thingiverse. I'll probably put it on Printables as well, so I'll have a few links down in the description that you can get a hold of it. Alright, well, let me know what you guys think.